What you know about this resto? I've never been here before.
Gustuhan mo ba? Kasi kasi akong kumain dito eh. Kasama yung tito kong nagbalikbayan. Parang narinig na rin namin. Eh may 40,000 na sa'yo kahapon. Okay, di ba?
Yeah, it's superb. Good job.
Ano ba talaga yung sinusunod mo?
Kailangan kasi magsabit ng financial report sa parents ko at the end of every week.
Financial report?
Yeah, don't mind this. It's just part of the procedure. Baka kapag di ako nag-submit, bawasan pa nila ako ng salary.
Tara, libo tayo. Ako mag-drive.
Wala ka namang car ah. How would you know how to?
It's almost 10 p.m. Sakto sa curfew.
Magaling. Well, it's been almost a long day and I'm very satisfied with how well things turned out. Hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili sa Aero. Anyway, hard work pays off. Come on. Starlight, flowers. Up here.
Huh? Ano to?
It's your first day. The amount is based on your performance as my boyfriend from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Teka, Zaya. Boyfriend.
Shit. It's 10:03. Sige, it's my fault. But thanks for everything. Wait. The keys. Good night.
Taho!
Hello?
Uy, Zay. Gandang umaga. Basta pagtulog.
I slept well. How about you?
Okay lang, ngayon. Wait, alam mo ba
So
kagabi?
what time are you coming here?
Ha?
We're going shopping today. I mentioned it yesterday.
Teka, nag-usap ba tayo?
Hoy, pasyente boy!
Nung, meron naman ata doon na kamera.
Wala, sira eh!
Wait, sandali lang ha. Tsaka ko na, balik sa akin ha. Hello?
Why are you using that tone with me?
Hindi. Wait, sorry. Hindi kasi may nanghiram lang dito eh. So, bali what time tayo pupunta ngayon?
I can't hear you. Anyway, be here by 10. I'll be ready by then. Okay? Bye!
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yeah. Good night.
Ingat.
Di na ng concern na yan. It's past 10 p.m.